Hi, my name's Hannah. I'm the contributing food editor of Woolworths Taste magazine, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make chicken cordon bleu. Okay, great. Okay, so there's three basics to a chicken cordon bleu. The chicken, these beautiful plump breasts right here, and then it's basically just stuffed with amazing cheese and some ham. To begin, we need to get a little bit of a surface area on our chicken breast. We're going to take this lovely guy right here. It's beautiful. And then we are going to put it in between two pieces of baking paper, even cling wrap, like whatever you have lying around, hitting it. I think that's actually good. Gorgeous, flattened chicken breast. So, ta-da! So the next step is to add our cheese. The thing about cheese is that I believe that you can't just ever have one cheese. Life is too short. So we've got our mozzarella. This is purely for that amazing, oozy, comforting yumminess. And then we've got a lovely little Emmental. It's got like a nutty, buttery flavor. And then we've got our lovely Overberg. This is just like a rich, robust flavor. So the key is to only stuff like 1/2 of each chicken breast, because we're going to be folding over the whole breast. And we need to leave a little bit of that space over there so that it has a chance to kind of close over and seal. And then we're going to be adding in the ham. So we're going to be doing a little bit of this wonderful gypsy ham, and then the lush stuff, a little bit of prosciutto or speck or whatever you're feeling is nice. This is great for like a little dinner party. Now we're going to be folding over. Just get a little toothpick and thread it through just so that it secures it. Okay, we've got our beaten egg and our water wash, and then the crumbs. So I've got some nice pancos here, and then we've got our everyday breadcrumbs, which are equally as delicious. And we're just going to be popping that just into the flour here, like this. Put them in the egg wash. Just a quick little coating. Don't want to go too crazy. Also just shake off any excess. And then we're going to be putting them into our crumbs. So just give them a nice little roll around. This is definitely a time to not be afraid of getting messy. Alrighty, so we're going to do a nice little shallow fry now, and this is just to get the gorgeous coating, crispy coating. So we've got like a nice neutral oil in here. Okay, so I'm looking for a lovely like pale golden crumb, because as it cooks in the oven, it's also going to maybe darken a little bit. So we don't want to go too crazy now, but this is exactly what we're going for. So while we're waiting for the chicken, we're going to be making a broccoli mash. Super easy, and the best part is the mash is from Woolies, and it's like the ultimate mash. You can't go wrong. So just going to take it directly into the pot. It's just about heating it through gently, and the knob of butter is just gonna love life in there. In this pot over here, I have just some blanched broccoli, and we're just going to put that into the NutriBullet, a little food processor or whatever you have. Boop. And then we are just going to blitz it up. Just needs a couple of seconds, and this is beautiful green. Put all of that into our mash. Such a great way to like incorporate veggies into mash, especially maybe with kids, or just if you want to do something that's a little bit more exciting. So there you have it. Instant broccoli mash. Hello, gorgeous. Crunchy and golden and bubbling, and I can't wait to slice them. Here we go. Are you ready? I'm excited. Listen to that crunch. Check out that ooze. Yum. Okay, so now for the plating. Gorgeous, vibrant green broccoli mash, a little bit of spinach, and some spring onions. Just gonna lay that on here. Amazing cheese, yum. I mean, I know nothing can go wrong with some cheese and a little bit of beautiful salty ham and crunch, but here goes. It's so good. Like, sage! Not for you. Like, honestly, it will not disappoint you. Yum, yum.